Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be doing for you a look inspired by this color by Maybelline. It's like a orangey liquid lip, and for a long time I have been looking for an orange lip. I was really into the color, I really wanted to try it out, and I finally found one. And from the drugstore, so even better. But yeah, I'm just going to do a very bronzy look that I did the other day that I really liked how it turned out using this lip color. And without further ado, let's just jump right in. So to start off this look, I went in with my Milani primer in Prime Light, and I just used that all over the face. I started with my face makeup on this day. So just go right ahead and massage that all in. And then I went in with my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, and I just went in with that on a synthetic round stippling brush. Just buff that all in. After that, I went in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Hazelnut. And if I did I say the shade of that foundation? It's in the shade Nutmeg. So I just click it up a bit. I just dot that right under my eye, down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead. And it's a very subtle difference, so it's not overly uber highlighted, which is what I wanted. And then I just go in with my Wet Real Technique sponge and buff that all in. And both of those products blend in super duper fast and easy. And for the brows that I went for is I want them to be defined but still look very natural. So I'm not gonna go too much with them. And honestly, I've been trying different techniques with my brows, and I've been really liking how they've been turning out lately. So hopefully I can like show that to you guys. So basically I like to really comb them out. I really focus a lot on that. It's really making that shape that I want. And then once I get them into the shape that I want, I'll just go in with my pencil and I'll fill in sparse areas first. So and I kind of make strokes in the direction of my brow hairs. And I won't actually make like a sharp line on the bottom. I'll do more so on the top. Make sure it's really precise. Make sure that arch is really defined. Not that defined. Brush away any of the product that like I put like down by accident. I basically just want to make hair-like strokes. I usually leave like about the first centimeter untouched, and I'll do that last. Only where it absolutely needs it. And I feel like it makes a really nice defined brow. But this is how I've been doing my brows lately, and I really like it. And then I'll just go in with my brow plumper, wipe off the excess, and then run that through my brows. Okay, and we're done. So let's move on to eyes. And for eyes, I went in with the e.l.f. smudge pot in the shade Brownie Points. It's actually like a liquid eyeshadow. And I went in on a concealer brush. And this product is very soft, so you pick up a lot. So just make sure to wipe it off on the edges a bit so you get an even amount of product. And I took this all over my eye. I didn't really use any other shadows other than a crease shade, which I'll show you after. And then I'm going to go in with the Milani bronzer in the shade Golden, just on my bronzer brush. Get a good amount from my ears, just really warming up the face. Take that along the hairline. I'll take that under my chin. Makes it more defined. And then with a crease brush, I'll just go right back in with that bronzer shade and just sweep that through my crease. And then I went in with the Physicians Formula eyeliner in Ultra Black. I've been testing out using like a brush tip eyeliner, and I like it so much more. It glides so much better. It's like, it's just easier to apply. Okay, I'll try to start on camera. We'll see how long that lasts. Just try to match up the tail of my brow. And I'm only going to do a half wing, so I only want the eyeliner to go to like halfway across my eye. So that one didn't want to be done on camera. It really wanted to try me, but I got it. And they look semi the same, so we'll take it. Next I'm going to go in with highlighter, and for highlighter I use the Milani highlighter in Glowin'. Just take that on your highlighter brush. Let's switch it up today. I'm gonna use a fan brush. I haven't used a fan brush in a long time. Maybe we'll find out why that is today. Your fan brush, and then along the high points of your cheek. Definitely apply it more subtly, but this is more of a subtle highlight anyways. But you can definitely build it up. I like the subtleness of it. Down the bridge of our nose. Okay, this part's hard. This is way too thick for that part. We're gonna go back in with our tried and true. Even though this is not my favorite highlighting brush. But I want to try more. It's okay, but I feel like there's better. And now onto the exciting part, because I didn't use blush today. I just didn't feel like it. The lips. And for lips, we're gonna go in with that lovely I lost it. I literally did not know where I put it. With that Milani liquid lip in Figther. And I really like these type of applicators. Like, they kind of look like a teardrop, because it's super easy to get super precise when you're putting it on. You ever want to make a liquid lip more comfortable? Just add a lip balm underneath. You can go over this lip really easily too. It's very forgiving. And that's what the lip color looks like. Now all we have to do is set our face. I'm gonna go in with two actually. I'm gonna go in with the All Nighter by Urban Decay to set it. This will also help melt the products into your face. And then I'm gonna top it off with the Essence Keep It Perfect setting spray, and this will make it much more dewier. I can't remember how strong the spray is. Very strong. And that completes our look for the day, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I do my hair so it's nice and curly. I actually like it with this look too. It's so fun. And this is a really good look for spring, because it's very light and it's bright, and I just like it for spring. I just do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look. Make sure to hit that thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you want to see new videos. I upload every Monday and Wednesday. I upload every Monday and Thursday. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!